There we go. Okay, there's a clamp right here. You need to release this. And then on this side, there's another clamp. And let me get a screwdriver really quick. You need to undo this. You can undo this one here, or you can undo this one back here. I'm going to choose this one right here. Just get it loose enough so that you can get this off. I gotta set my phone down. I'm on pause for a moment. And you can just slide this clip until it's loose and pull it right off. And it detaches like so. Set this aside. And then disconnect this hose here. Let's see. Whoops. My phone's not going to stay. I'm going to pause again. Okay, so I disconnected this hose here, and you lift up on both sides of this air filter component, pull it straight up, and it lifts right out. Like this. Then you loosen the bolts on both sides of your battery, and it will disconnect, like so. Then you can pull your battery out. There's another bolt on the battery down here, which you need to loosen, and that loosens this bracket right here, which holds the battery tight in its compartment. And you pull your battery out. And that exposes this right here, which is your camshaft sensor. You can see the two bolts right here that hold it on, and it looks like the new piece right here. So you can see that it's going to be going on like this. You can see the two bolts and the piece right here, and the electrical component that's going to plug in right here. And it's got some clamps here on the side that you need to loosen, and these two bolts, and put the new piece right on. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get my socket set out, find the right size sockets, which I believe is an 8mm, and when I get that loose, then I'm going to turn my camera back on. So I'm going to pause right now.